Hello everyone. Creative Life is here to relate with your new skills of natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. The goal of NLP is to bridge the gap between human communication and computer understanding, allowing machines to process and analyze vast amounts of textual data. It involves a range of tasks, including text understanding. NLP algorithms aim to understand the structure, meaning, and context of text. This includes tasks like part-of-speech tagging, named entity recognition, parsing, and semantic role labeling. Sentiment analysis. NLP can analyze the sentiment or opinion expressed in a piece of text. It helps determine whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral, and is often used to gauge public opinion or customer feedback. Machine translation. NLP plays a crucial role in machine translation systems, which automatically translate text from one language to another. These systems utilize various techniques like statistical models, neural networks, and rule-based approaches to achieve accurate translations. Information extraction. NLP techniques extract structured information from unstructured text. This involves identifying and extracting entities, relationships, and other relevant information from documents or web pages. Question answering. NLP algorithms can be used to build question answering systems that understand and respond to user queries. These systems can provide concise answers by analyzing the input question and searching for relevant information within a given dataset. Text generation. NLP models can generate human-like text based on given prompts or contexts. This includes tasks like language generation, chatbots, and text summarization. In the field of healthcare, one of the latest and most significant applications of natural language processing, NLP, lies in extracting valuable insights from medical records, scientific literature, and patient data. NLP is a vast topic to explore. I hope that you may have liked it. Subscribe to our channel for latest technology updates. Thanks for subscribing and showing your support to our channel. We will be back soon with a new video.